Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you two styles of Batwing eyeliner. So we've got the more pointed style here and the more straight out style. So yeah, let's get on with it. So what I've got on my lids at the moment as my primer is the Conceal and Correct by Revolution Beauty in the white, which is shade CO. So I'm just going to start by taking this reddy orangey tone here and put that on my lid above my crease. Take that reddish colour there, which is a bit darker, so hopefully it darkens it up more. And I'm just blending that through that crease area. Now I'm taking a black on a flat brush from the Give Them Darkness palette, and I'm just patting that over my lids. And then just blending it in to the red a little bit. Dab it into the centers of the lids. Then just pat it with your finger. Take a bit of that black and put it under the eye, like so. So you're doing it as close as you can to the waterline without actually getting it in your waterline. And then you're blending it a little bit by using windscreen wiper motions all along the lower lash line. That just diffuses the harsh edges a little bit. So we're going to take the red and put that over the black and down a bit. And blend through that black to soften it up more. And yeah, I'm blending that red out to the sides just to create more of a vampy sort of look. So I'm just filling my waterline in with a black eyeliner. So what you want to do with this look is you want to create, well, to create your bat eye, what you want to do is you want to start and just create a normal wing but larger. So you understand what I mean, I'll show you what I mean. So I'm going to start my wing where I've just done that dot, which is here. bring it straight down to the eye and connect that part on the outer corner. So you can see that this wing is very, very large. You're going to draw triangles. And if there's any corners you need to fix up, just take a makeup remover wipe or a Q-tip dipped in makeup remover. So here's the two styles that I like to do. There are obviously many more other styles that you can do with it. Now you have two different styles. 1 and 2. Experiment, see what you like, see if you prefer a wing that's more this way or more pointed. For me, I usually prefer this one, but today I'm actually liking this one a little more.